Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, television, as well as Apurva Purohit from Radio City. And Smita Das from Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Kokana Sen Sharma and Mr. Mohali Khan. I would now like to invite Mr. Shantanu Khosla to say a few words on this occasion.
Running in partnership the Shiksha program, aiming at helping improve children's right to education in India. It is with great pleasure that this year the Shiksha program with PNG and our key partners has raised towards the education of anyone else. These funds will help support the right to education, continuing to demonstrate how our partnership in Shiksha is going from strength to strength each year. Firstly, our key partner, CRY, who we've been working with in the design of this program from the beginning, who bring their expertise and knowledge and capability to ensure that the funds that are raised are used to create our media partners who take the message of the opportunity of Shiksha to consumers all around this country to enable them to help support the program. Media partners. I'd also like to thank the celebrities who consistently step forward and give up their valuable time issue and help us work together to create these funds towards the children. Especially I would like to thank our guests. Finally, of course, I would also like to thank the employees of Procter & Gamble who go beyond the call of duty. You, members of the media, thank you for everything you do each year to take this message out to our consumers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Khosla. I would now like to invite Ms. Smita Das from CRY to say a few words on this occasion.
Good afternoon, everybody. Let me begin by extending a big thank you to the team who has made Shiksha the huge success that it is. Partners, the media partners, especially Sony, Radio City, the creative media and the PR agencies. Key influencers like Soham, Konkana, and many others who have contributed to their best. And of course, last not the least, the consumer. Without this, none of this would have been possible. Work that encompasses thousands of slums and villages across 11 states in India in a manner that ensures long-term sustainable impact. It is easy to enroll a child into school. Rest assured the children you enroll in June will have pushed out of the school by August. Simply with us staring at only the heads and back of a taller children in front of her is hardly likely to get any education. To ensure that a Dalit child stays in school, gets not just ensured a right to her childhood, CRY works across the spectrum to change policies, laws, and in CRY's model of change, I applaud PNG. There are many other reasons as well why we should be applauding PNG and Shiksha, able to reach out to over 87,000 children. Not many initiatives that claim to have reached millions of households with a message of child rights or involve thousands of stakeholders across the country like Shiksha does. What makes this an incredibly satisfying and
Thank you very much. I'd now like to invite and CRY and everybody else that has collaborated in the last few years and got together such wonderful results. I congratulate all of you and I'm very happy to be here. And I will continue to support and I pledge my support in any way that I can in the coming years. There is no doubt in my mind that education is one of the most important and basic rights of children anywhere in the world. And I think that it is our responsibility as adults to make sure that children get access to affordable and quality education. And there is a reason why all of us are here today. I mean, there is, of course, PNG, which is, a corporate. There is the media, there's, there's CRY, there's celebrities, there are people from all walks of life. And that is because all of us are here because we have to collaborate, because this is not something that a few people can do. This is something, if one has to educate so many people and one has to, take up a project of this scale and of this nature, then everyone has to get involved. Which is why all of us are here today, and everyone can make a difference. Because as they say, it takes a village to bring up a child. So I hope that all of you will also contribute in any way that you can, as will I. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Konkana. I'd now like to request if Soha could say a few words on the occasion.
Good afternoon. Just very briefly again, it is a pleasure to be here today. Firstly, I'm here to congratulate CRY and Procter & Gamble, this wonderful initiative. I've been here many years. I think I was here in their second year, in their third year, now in their fourth year. Simply because I think that it is a wonderful initiative. It makes it very easy for all of us to contribute to a very worthy cause. CRY, of course, came up with the idea of supporting children and putting their rights forward many, many years ago, about 30 years ago. Procter & Gamble was formed not for this purpose. Presumably it was formed to make profits. But the fact that they've gone beyond that, that they've chosen to embrace, again, such an important cause, and to partner with CRY, is something that I commend. As a person who lives in India, as somebody who values education hugely, who's seen the importance of education in my own life, I will do anything that I can to support this cause. I've said this many times before. When I came here last year as well, I said it again, which is that one of the questions that I'm asked most often by all of you, the media, and one that makes me laugh, is, why did you study so much if you're going to be an actor? You don't need to use your education in your field of choice. The important word in this sentence is choice. I am doing the same thing that my mother has done for 50 odd years, the same thing that my brother is doing. It's a family for me in many ways, yes, but I chose my career. And I really feel that my education is what has empowered me to have choices. I have worked in a bank, I have worked at the Ford Foundation. In fact, I looked after a portfolio that looked at education. I now choose to be an actor. I want every child out there, and it's a huge, staggering number of children who do not have this very basic right. It's a luxury for them. I would want them all to have this very right. I think this is a huge step towards that. Every year we raise 1 more crore. I think that's a huge amount that should be celebrated, and I really encourage, in terms of advocacy, all of us here, especially the media, to give it some space when we write, every day, the news that we read every day. I would like to see this covered as much as possible. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Soha. So far, we've heard about how much has been done, but we also realize that still is a lot left that needs to be done in this area. To highlight the dire situation of education and neglect of our children in this country, we've created a very simple Shiksha pop quiz to be hosted by Konkana Sen and Soha Ali Khan. If you get the answers right, we have specially signed slates by Konkana and Soha for you all. If you don't get it right, well, it just goes to show and re-emphasize that we really have a lot to do. Can we have the first question, please?
The first question is, how much does the education cess collections amount to? A, 1,000 crores, B, 5,000 crores, and C, rupees 14,844 crores.
Anyone venturing a guess? A, B, or C? C. Perfect. That's
C is
correct.
the correct answer.
Can you have to come up on stage, please, and get your gift from... Who's going to take Manav's picture? The correct answer is by Manav from EROS International. Can we have the second question, please? By Soha.
Okay, this is a subjective question. It's not a factual question. So whoever comes up with as close as possible an answer. So the question is, why is education a basic right?
Anyone venture a guess? I'm sure you'll have been around for Shiksha for the last 4 years.
Say, oh, C, or the final answer. You have to...
Anything close. Why do you think education is a basic right for every child in this country? Actually, that's perfect. I think that deserves a very answer. But can we have someone read out?
Yes,
the
but
answer?
that will also do. The answer I have here is because education makes sure that a child gets to play and learn and enjoy childhood today, develops her potential and grows up into an aware adult.
Can we have you come on stage and get your prize from both of them? Can we have the third question, please?
The third question is, how many children has Project Shiksha directly touched? A, 30,000, B, 50,000, or C, 87,000 children? I have all the easy questions.
I think that lady at the back in the brown, yeah, that's you. Can you come up on stage and get your gift?
The correct answer is C, 87,000 children.
We just got 5 questions more to go. So keep the answers coming. Thank you very much. Next question.
How much does the government of India spend on primary education in India? Your choices are 1, 3,000 crores, 2, 5,000 crores, or C, 18,439 crores.
Come on, this should be easy. That's a whole lot of answers.
C is the correct answer.
C is the correct answer. I think this gentleman in the front in the blue shirt answered the first. So he needs to come on stage. Thank you very much. It seems that Shiksha has impacted everyone's lives. Can we have the next question, please?
Once again, a subjective question. What is the difference between education and literacy?
Anybody?
Education leads to literacy.
I would imagine it's the opposite.
Anybody?
That's a good guess. Anybody else?
Means literacy brightens the country and education leads to literacy.
Should we give it to him? Yes. We can give it to you, but we'd also like to read out the right answer.
Literacy is only about learning to read and write. Education is about learning, knowledge and skills using literacy. Education is more
Yes, I think he
all-rounded.
ventured in
Literacy
answering.
is just
Yes, I think he deserves it.
specific, yeah. At least he ventured, yeah.
Can we have the next question, please?
How is Project Shiksha different from other education initiatives?
I think this should be an easy one.
So
but
we've
it
talked a
seems
lot about
rather
Shiksha,
difficult.
so how is it different from...
Procter & Gamble supports Shiksha.
I think there could be another reason for that.
That's true, but apart from that, that's like obvious.
They do things rather than talking about it.
One more guess, just something more specific about Shiksha.
Maximum numbers of students getting education through Shiksha.
I think I think that should be it. But we'd also like to read out the right questions so that next time when you'll come back, everybody is in the loop. Come and collect your prize, please.
So unlike other education...
A, 25%, B, 45%, or C, 50%?
I think the gentleman in the
There
front
said the
here-
right answer.
This guy, I think this gentleman, can you please...
50%. Joyce, but you guessed it right.
To raise our awareness on what needs to be done for our country on a long-term basis and to ensure your support to Shiksha through the years. Now for the final photo opportunity, I'd like to ask Mr. Shantanu Khosla, So and Konkana to stand for a photo opportunity.
पीछे पीछे
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much for being here. If we like one final photo opportunity. and then we can move on to the bites. Thank you very much.